happy birthday. Second birthday mo na to na hindi tayo magkasama. Alam mo ba na kung gaano ka-special sa akin na lagi kong pinaghahandaan ng iyong birthday. Wish ko sa iyo sana maging matalino, sana maging mabait sa kapwa-tao, mapagmahal sa magulang. Wasn't in the atmosphere. Watch it all come alive in wild anticipation. Feel it rising. Oh, we're rising. It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath.
Happy birthday, Liam.
Love you.
I love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
It's our time. Can you feel? Can you feel?
Liam, sana lumaki ka ng maayos at mabait. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo at ng mamahana mo. Happy birthday, anak.
Can you feel? Can you feel? It's our time. Open your eyes. Gusto ko na makipaglaro sa iyo at makipagkulitan. Darating ang panahon na uuwi ako dyan, magkakasama na tayo. Ito lang ang tatanda mo, mahal na mahal kita at mahal na mahal ka ng mami mo at daddy. Okay? Happy birthday. See you soon.